The Guardian. Friends of football. IMF calls for countries to economize on energy supplies and hails UK's budget deficit improvement, as it happened. The Iranian team is coming for sure, yes, FIFA President Gianni Infantino. Yesterday. Today. Here are the top global headlines right now. Globe with Meridian's Middle East tensions and global economy. Ongoing tensions involving Iran and the U.S. continue to impact the global economy. The IMF is warning countries to save energy and prepare for higher inflation as supply chains remain disrupted. The Guardian. There are signals of possible peace talks, but uncertainty is still high. Dove diplomacy and Pakistan's role. Pakistan is actively involved in diplomacy, with senior officials visiting Tehran to help mediate talks between the U.S. and Iran. China.org.cn. This shows Pakistan's growing role in regional peace efforts. Soccer ball sports and geopolitics. Despite political tensions, FIFA confirmed that Iran will participate in the 2026 World Cup. Friends of football. This highlights how sports and politics are still intersecting globally. Collision India industrial tragedy. A power plant explosion in India has killed at least 17 people. China.org.cn. Authorities are investigating safety conditions. Milky Way science and space. The Lyrid meteor shower has begun and will peak around April 21st to 22nd. The Times of India. Up to 20 meteors per hour may be visible under clear skies. Globe showing Asia-Australia Asia economic updates. Thailand expects a major boost in tourism revenue from its Songkran festival. China.org.cn. Malaysia has introduced work-from-home policies to deal with rising fuel costs. Compass quick summary. Globe showing Europe-Africa global tensions, Iran conflict, affecting economy. Pakistan playing mediator role. Soccer ball Iran confirmed for World Cup. Collision deadly industrial accident in India. Milky Way meteor shower lighting up skies.